Experience the spirit of rebellion and the art of the ride. This is the 2024 Indian Scout Rogue 60 in the captivating Spirit Blue Smoke, a motorcycle that demands attention and delivers an unforgettable journey. Designed for those who crave a distinctive look, the Scout Rogue 60 stands out with its aggressive styling. Those iconic mini-ape handlebars put you in a commanding position, while the blacked-out finishes and aggressive fairing give it an undeniably custom feel. Powering this beauty is a liquid-cooled 60 cubic inch, 999cc V-twin engine, delivering a responsive 78 horsepower. It's an engine built for nimble performance, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising the open road. With a lightweight cast aluminum frame and a low 25.6-inch seat height, the Scout Rogue 60 offers an expertly balanced ride that's easy to handle for a wide range of riders. The sport-style seat not only adds to its sleek profile, but also keeps you comfortably in control. And when it's time to bring things to a halt, the available ABS braking system provides superior stopping power, giving you confidence on every ride. The dual-shock rear suspension and telescopic front fork ensure a smooth experience, soaking up the miles. The 2024 Indian Scout Rogue 60 in Spirit Blue Smoke. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. We have locations in Chicago and in St. Petersburg, Florida. iMotorsports backs every new Indian motorcycle with a nationwide 1 million mile powertrain warranty. That's right, every single new Indian motorcycle sold here at iMotorsports comes with an unprecedented, industry-leading 1 million mile powertrain warranty.